When creating content to build your brand online, it's not just about writing blog posts and articles. That's half of the job. The other part is promoting your content on different social media platforms. And this is where Bramework's new social media content generator comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this new tool. Let's get started. First, you can access the social media content generator by clicking on it from the dashboard, or on the left navigation panel by clicking on social media. You can click on generate social content, and that will take you to the social media content generator. The first option is use brand voice. It's something you can set up in your projects folder. If this is disabled, go to your projects folder and you'll see the option to set up your brand voice. I'll also leave a link in the description of how to set up your brand voice. I will check off use brand voice. Next, you see two options, content URL or content text. Content URL is where I want the AI to pull the information from, and content text allows me to paste that information in. First, I'll show you the content URL. Let me get my URL. I've pasted my URL and I'm going to add my target audience, content creators. I'll make the tone casual. I want to create content for Facebook, Twitter or X, the Instagram caption, and I'll also create a LinkedIn post. I will check include content URL in generated post. And for the instructions, you can add all types of things. You can add additional tones and styles. You can tell the AI to write in different languages, add additional call to actions, any additional information that's not included in the content URL. You can add that information in the instructions. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate content. All right, now my content has been created. You can see the Facebook post, the Instagram post here, the tweet here, and also the LinkedIn post. From here, I can copy this content and use it where I see fit. I can go up here and filter based on the post that I want to see. Once complete, go ahead and save your content. Now I'm going to show you how to create content from the content text. Let me go ahead and get a piece of content and paste it into the content text area. All right, now that I've pasted my content, you're able to paste in up to 5,000 characters. I'm going to make my audience content creators again. I'm going to keep it informative. This time, I'm going to create an email newsletter, a YouTube script, Pinterest pin, and let's do a tweet as well. You can add all types of instructions here. Tell it to write in different languages, add call to actions, add additional information. Anything you want to add, you can add it here, up to 2,000 characters. I'm going to go ahead and click generate content. Now that my content has been generated, I can scroll through and see my Pinterest pin information, my YouTube script. I can scroll down and I can see the email copy down here for the newsletter and the tweets down here as well. If I wanted to, I can generate additional content. Once complete, I can copy that content and use it as I see fit. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@bramework.com. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest features and tools that will help you scale your content creation.